Have you ever wondered how the universe began? What if everything, every star, planet, and galaxy once existed in a single, incredibly small point? This is the foundation of one of the most revolutionary scientific theories, the Big Bang Theory. Today, we will dive into the mysteries of the cosmos, from the universe's explosive birth to its ever-expanding future. What is the universe? The universe is everything we know: stars, planets, galaxies, space, time, even you and me. It's hard to even grasp the sheer size of the universe. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's so vast, even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes billions of years to travel from one end to the other. But where did it all come from? For thousands of years, humans looked at the night sky and asked the same question. Let's explore how scientists, through centuries of observation and study, came to one of the most astonishing discoveries in human history. Early theories of the universe. Before the Big Bang Theory, people had many ideas about the origin of the universe. Ancient Greek philosophers like Aristotle believed in a geocentric model, where Earth was at the center of the universe, with all stars and planets orbiting around it. This idea held for centuries. Then came Nicholas Copernicus in the 16th century. He suggested that the sun, not the Earth, was at the center of the universe. This was a huge shift in how we thought about our place in the cosmos. But none of these models explained where the universe itself came from. Was it eternal, or did it have a beginning? The breakthrough came in the early 20th century, when scientists discovered something extraordinary: the universe is expanding. The Big Bang Theory, the beginning. So what exactly is the Big Bang Theory? It all starts with the observation that galaxies are moving away from us. This was discovered by American astronomer Edwin Hubble in 1929. Hubble noticed that distant galaxies were moving away from each other, like dots on the surface of an inflating balloon. He realized that the farther a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away. This led to the conclusion that the universe itself is expanding. Now, if the universe is expanding, it must have been smaller in the past. In fact, if we rewind time, we find that everything in the universe once existed in a single point, a singularity. Imagine the entire universe, every galaxy, star, and planet, compressed into an incredibly dense, hot, and tiny point. Then, around 13.8 billion years ago, this singularity exploded, and the universe began to expand. This event is what we call the Big Bang. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was an explosion of space itself. As space expanded, matter began to cool down, forming the first atoms, stars, and galaxies. This expansion is still happening today, and it's why galaxies are moving away from each other. The fundamental forces of the universe. At the moment of the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot and energetic. In fact, all the fundamental forces we know today were unified as one. There are 4 fundamental forces in the universe: a gravitational force, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Right after the Big Bang, these forces split apart as the universe cooled down. 1. Gravitational force. This is the force that pulls objects together. It's what keeps you on Earth and holds planets in orbit around stars. 2. Electromagnetism. This force governs how charged particles interact, and it's responsible for everything from lightning to the way atoms are held together. 3. Strong nuclear force. This binds the particles in an atom's nucleus together, making it incredibly powerful but acting over very short distances. 4. Weak nuclear force. This is responsible for radioactive decay, which is crucial for the energy produced by the sun. These forces began to separate within the first few moments after the Big Bang, shaping the universe as we know it. Hubble's law and the expanding universe. One of the key discoveries that supports the Big Bang theory is Hubble's law. Edwin Hubble found that galaxies are moving away from us at a speed proportional to their distance. This means the farther a galaxy is from Earth, the faster it's moving. This relationship is captured in the equation v is equal to h*d. Here, v is the velocity of the galaxy, d is the distance, and h is Hubble's constant. This constant tells us the rate at which the universe is expanding, currently estimated at 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec. This discovery cemented the idea that the universe is not static, but constantly growing. It also raised an interesting question: if galaxies are moving apart now, could they have been closer together in the past? The answer led to the Big Bang theory. The future of the universe. Now that we know the universe is expanding, what does that mean for its future? Will it continue expanding forever, or will it collapse back into a single point? Scientists propose three possible outcomes for the universe: an open universe, a flat universe, or a closed universe. One open universe, the expansion will continue forever. The galaxies will move farther apart, and the universe will grow colder and darker. Over billions of years, stars will burn out, and the universe will become a vast, empty space. This happens if the universe's average density is less than the critical density needed to stop expansion. To flat universe, the expansion will slow down and eventually stop. The galaxies will reach a point where they no longer move apart, but they won't come back together either. The universe will remain stable, but cold and far apart. This could occur if the universe's density is exactly equal to the critical density. 3. Closed universe, gravity wins. The galaxies will stop expanding and begin to move back toward each other. Over time, the universe will collapse into a single point, a process known as the Big Crunch. Some scientists believe that after the Big Crunch, another Big Bang could occur, creating a cyclical universe, an endless cycle of expansion and collapse. Conclusion. The universe has a fascinating past and an uncertain future. Whether it expands forever or collapses back into itself, one thing is certain: the more we learn about the cosmos, the more mysteries we uncover. Our understanding of the universe, from the Big Bang to its potential end, has only just begun. What new discoveries await us in the vastness of space? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who are curious about the universe, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations of science and space.